Dear students, today I am going to read the story Tenali Raman. This story is actually a part of your first lesson, All Things Bright and Beautiful. Mormor Satru Satru Tumalapok Azi, a Tenali Ramor Namor Golpoto Poridibulo Lesu. A Golpoto Asalote, Tumalakor Protham to lesson, All Things Bright and Beautiful or the Angho. Tenali Raman was a courtier in a king's court. Tenali Raman Rojar Rajabar Bishasto Onugami Esile. One day, the king got angry with Tenali Raman. Edinarhon Tenali Raman brought Rojar Bor Hongutisile. Angry money hoise Hongutha. The king said, the king mane Rajai said mane koisile, I don't want to see your face. Face mane mukh. Je moi tumar mukhone saboni bisaru. Don't come to my courtroom. Je tumi etiar pra mor raj hobaloi nahiba. The next day, Tenali Raman came with his face covered with a pot. Tar pisdina Tenali Ramane tar gotei mukhmandal eta patrore thaki ahisil. He made 3 holes in the pot. He patrotot Tenali Ramane 3ta binda banaisile. There were 2 holes for his eyes and 1 hole for his nose and mouth. He patrotot he 3ta bindha banaisile. 2ta bindha soku dutar babe banaisile aru eta bindha ter nak aru mukhonor babe banaisile thik enedore. On seeing Tenali Raman, the king said, Tenali Raman tenedore dekha pai Rajai koisile, why have you come again? Tenali Raman tumi ako kyo ahila? And why are you covering your face with the pot? Je tumi tenedore tumar mukhon kyo thaki ahisa? Tenali Raman replied, Tenali Ramane uttor disile, Your Majesty, you said you did not want to see my face. Maharaj, apuni koisile nohoy je apuni mor mukhone sabo bisora nai. The king laughed and said, Rajai haisile aru koisile, You are very intelligent, Tenali. Se Tenali tumi bor budhiyok. Tenali Raman smiled and said, Tenali Ramane hahisil aru koisile, Thank you, Your Majesty, Maharaj, apunak dhonnobad. Ia duta shobdo sabo laga. Laughed, the king laughed, Rajai haisile. Aru efale ase, Tenali Raman smiled, Tenali Ramane hahisile. Laugh maneo haha, smile maneo haha. Laugh mane jor koi haha, aru smile mane misiki ai haha.